You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Landrover Range Rover. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this superlative Land Rover Range Rover, the ultimate in luxury performance vehicles. Sophisticated, modern, and endowed with legendary off-road capability, it simply takes your breath away. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio. Feel the thrill of superior luxury and capability in this masterfully created Range Rover. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.